Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 4 English teacher. Beta, we are doing block 22, Introduction to Biography. What do you mean by biography? Biography means studying a history about a person. History means what? From where he is, where did he born, when he studied his school, from where he studied his school. Okay. Now see beta, in this our topic is block 22 Introduction to Biography. Today our topic is features of biography. What do you mean by features? See here. Aim. Identify the key features of a biography. Text including photo and facts about a real person. Features means you will study about the text. Photo you will see and the fact means reality about that person. You will study in this lesson today. Take out your reader now. See beta, in your reader, Life of Helen Keller. Okay. Writing a biography. See, you can see here picture of a lady. Who is she? She is Helen Keller. Who wrote this? By Kavita Sharma wrote this story of Helen Keller. Now see keywords. Courage, determination, illness, repeat, tough and upset. See it again here, there is a photo of Helen Keller when she was young, small girl. Now keep your fingers where I am reading. Helen Keller is known for her courage and determination. She could not see or hear, but that did not stop her from doing great things. She wrote many books, learned 5 languages and travelled all over the world. Helen Keller was born in the United States more than 100 years ago. She was born on 27th June 1880 in Tuscumbia, Alabama. Her father, author, worked for a newspaper. Katie, her mother, stayed at home and took care of Helen. What happened here? They are telling that this story happened 100 years ago. When did she born? 27 June 1880. Okay, where? In Tuscumbia. Next, see beta, page number 133. Helen was born a healthy baby and could see and hear. She was healthy baby only it seems when she born. Then what happened? We'll see now. She loved playing at her family's farm with the dogs and chickens. Things were going well for the Keller family, but Helen became very ill when she was about 19 months old. For many days she had high fever and a bad headache. Helen's illness was so serious that she became blind and deaf. What is telling that? Helen was born as a normal baby only. What happened? When she was small, she used to love playing with dogs and small chicken citizens. And what happened? Suddenly, when she was 19 months old, she was not well. She was ill, it seems. What happened? Due to severe fever and headache, and it was continuously, headache and fever was there for a long time. So what happened? She became blind and deaf. Next paragraph beta, you can see here Helen at her house. Next picture beta. Not being able to see or hear made things tough for baby Helen. Her biggest problem at that time was how to let others know what she needed. She used some hand actions, but no one understood what she meant. Not being able to talk made Helen very angry. She would become upset easy and kick and hit others a lot. When nobody used to understand her language, she used to get irritated and beat and kick others it seems. You can see here the picture. Next page beta, page number 134. See here. Helen's parents took her to a woman named Annie Sylvan for help. Annie had once been blind, but surgery had helped her to see again. Annie came to the killer's, that is not killer beta, that is killer's home when Helen was 6 years old. She became Helen's helper and friend for life. They two stayed together for 50 years. She is Annie Sylvan. She came when Helen was 6 years old to meet Helen. Who brought her? Who brought this Annie here? Helen's parents brought her to teach her. She was also blind, but after surgery she started seeing. So she became good teacher for Helen. And what happened? She started teaching her, and they both stayed together for 50 years it seems. See here, next picture. Annie teaching Helen new words. See how she's teaching, we'll see now. Annie first taught Helen words. She used a new way of teaching Helen. She pressed the letters of words on Helen's palm. If she wanted to teach Helen the word water, she held one of Helen's hand under water and spelled out water on the palm of her other hand. Helen then had to repeat the word on Annie's palm. In this way, Annie taught Helen hundreds of words. With Annie's help, Helen also learned how to behave with others, eat properly, and dress herself. She not only learned language, words, but also learned how to behave and how to dress herself, children. Next paragraph, beta. See Helen reading a book written in Braille language. Means it is a language read by the blind people. Annie worked hard with Helen and began teaching her to read. Helen was a smart girl and was soon able to read complete books. Write in Braille. Braille is a special system of writing when letters are made, where letters are made with rising dots on a page. Dot means, children, these books are made for blind people, children. Means what? Dots are there on the pages. By touching and feeling the dots, they will read. They'll try to read the words and letter. Next. Now that Helen could read, she wanted to learn how to speak. People who are deaf find it hard to speak because they have never heard the word said to them. Children, she is not only blind, she is deaf also. Means she can't hear. Now you can't hear when you are not able to hear some sound. How can you talk? It was very difficult to teach her, it seems. Next, see here. Sarah Flair, a teacher of the deaf, taught Helen to speak. Sarah would put Helen's hand on her lips. When Sarah spoke, Helen felt how her lips moved to make sound. Helen began by saying letters and then words and finally full line. Now Helen was as able to read and speak as any other child of her age. Now Sarah taught her how to speak, how to talk, how lips will move when we are talking. Not only that, she started reading and writing now like a normal child. Next, page number 136. See here. When she was 16 years old, Helen went to study at the Radcliffe College in Massachusetts. Annie attended all the classes with her to spell out everything, to teach everything the teacher said. She used to go to college. Annie was also with Helen to press the words on her fingers, no? Next. What happened? She used to sit beside her and tell what teacher is telling on her palm. Helen did well and passed out of college in 1904. She passed in a year 1904 it seems. She did well in all her exams. During this time, she also learned 5 languages while still at college. Helen wrote many articles about her life as a deaf and blind person. She wrote many articles it seems beta. Next. See here, next page number where we are reading 136, last para. The article were later put together in a book called The Story of My Life. After some years, Helen wrote another book called The World I Live In. Helen went on to do many other important things too. She worked hard to help other deaf and blind people around the world. She traveled to many countries and spoke about their problems. During the Second World War, she met many injured soldiers and asked them to stay hopeful. Not only that, she wrote many books. She started helping other people. She started traveling. In the Second World War, she met with the soldiers. Next. Page number 137, you can see here Helen. Now she became old. Helen Keller helping others. After living a life of great courage and success, Helen died on 1st June 1968 at her home in Westport, Concord in the United States. She was 87 years old. Helen's life teach us an important lesson: never give up. No matter how tough things are, hard work and courage can solve our problems. You are learning from this lesson, children. Okay, now see here glossaries. Yes, can you see glossaries here? Courage, the quality that help you to face danger without showing any fear. Determination, the quality of making up your mind to achieve something. Illness, sickness or disease. Repeat, to say or do something again. Tough, not easy, difficult, upset, unhappy. Okay beta, now take out your workbook. See beta, can you all see here? Write today's date 6-2-2021. S1 features of biography, page number 30. See here beta, write fact or opinion in the blank next to each sentence. You should write fact. Fact means which is real. Opinion means opinion is different beta. What others think, what we think. Do we think same children? No, we think different, no? Yes, see, Rita was born on 5th September 2008. That is fact, children. Helen Keller was very brave. That is opinion. Someone think that she was brave, some think that she is not brave. See, children. Opinion. Why do you think that Helen Keller was not brave? I think that she is brave. But others can think same? No, they can think differently. Rohan has 2 pet dogs. Fact. Fact means which is their real children. I think English is the best subject. I think it is best subject, but some other children can think that Telugu or Hindi is the best, easy or best subject. No? Way of thinking is opinion, children. Next, fill in the blank, fill in the fact chart with some fact from Helen Keller's life. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. From where this paragraph you will see, you should see this paragraph from your reader. What facts are written here, I have underlined so that it will become easy for you. See here now. In this what you will write now, paragraph 1. Important facts from Helen's life. What is fact here? See, I have underlined. She was born on 27 June 1880. You write here. See beta, I have written for you now. First one I have written beta from every paragraph. Second one you will see and write from your reader. This are there in your reader. Important facts means what is real happened to Helen. From first paragraph, what is fact? She was born on 27 June 1818. Second, what you can write? You can write this. You can write this beta. Her father, author, worked for a newspaper. This is also a fact. You can write here, children. Second paragraph. See beta now. This is second paragraph. From second paragraph, you write fact. I have written like this. Helen became very ill when she was, here place is not there, so I have adjusted like this. When she was about 19 months. So, one fact I have written, another fact you write. What you write another fact? Helen's illness was so serious that she became blind and deaf. This is also fact you write there. Third paragraph. This is third paragraph. I have written this one. She used some hand actions but no one understood what she meant. You can write another one also. What you can write? Helen, she would become upset easy and kick and hit others a lot. This is also fact. You can write here. Next, fourth paragraph. Annie came to the killer's home when she was 6 years old. Next paragraph. You can write. Annie came to Helen's house when she was 6 years old. Another fact also you can write. Okay. See here what are facts and write here beta. One I have written for you. One you write beta. Third bit is not there. Leave it beta. Okay. Understood beta? Hope you all understood beta how to write. Third bit is not there. Leave it. Write first bit and second bit. First bit is completed children. Second bit you write. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.